Ever wonder what makes the difference between winning and losing? It's not just about who runs the most or who has the ball the longest. Surprisingly, these statistics are not the deciding factors. The real game changer is right between your ears. Sure, being fast and strong is important in football. And yeah, having quick feet and great technical skills is super important too. But at the top level, every player is already super fit and super skilled. So what makes the difference between winning and losing? It's those split-second decisions, those flashes of brilliance that can turn the game around. Sometimes they're those jaw-dropping moves that you see from your favorite players. Other times, they're simple passes you might not even notice. Those aren't just random, they come from the brain. It's your instincts and quick thinking that create those moments. Imagine this. You're on the field, the ball is coming your way, and you've got only a couple seconds to decide what to do. That's where your brain kicks in. The best players like Messi seem to have the ability to see everything happening around them, like having a bird's eye view of the field. Andrea Pirlo said, "Football is played with the head. Your feet are just the tools. So while having fast feet is great, having a faster mind is even better." Now let's talk about Messi. Have you noticed how he always seems to be in the right place at the right time? That's not just luck, it's his brain working. He's constantly scanning the field, figuring out where to go next. It's like he can see a little bit into the future. Now another example you might not even notice in a game, but was the key to a goal, is this moment from Harry Kane. He scans the pitch and sees there's a player from the opponent team, and he had scanned the other side down the line as well. So when he gets the ball, he turns to the right way, to the left, and knows what to do to pass the ball into the gap. All that done in a split second. Scientists have actually studied this stuff. They found that players like Andres Iniesta have super fast brains. They can understand what's happening on the field way quicker than most people, allowing them to stay a step ahead. The more you start using your brain in football, the better it gets. It's like training a muscle. So the next time you're on the field, don't just focus on your feet. Think about what's happening around you, where your teammates are, where your opponents are, where the open space is, and where new space might open. As Johan Cruyff said, you have to be in the right place at the right moment. Not too early, not too late. Now here's the exciting part. You can train your brain just like you train your body. The most simple ways to do this is to train your awareness. Scan, scan, and scan. Don't just scan for the sake of scanning. Actually try to process what you saw. Number 2 is to know your tactics and understand the tactics, because understanding the theory behind the game allows you to anticipate your teammates' movements and your opponent's movements. And number 3 is to practice making fast choices in training. The quicker you can decide, the better you'll play in real matches. These are just the simplest ways. If you want a more in-depth video on how to level up your football IQ, make sure to like and subscribe.